Hey, I'm Wavid, and this is the Headwind Tailwind challenge problem. So here's the problem itself. An airplane makes a straight back and forth round trip, always at the same airspeed between two cities. It has a steady tailwind and the same steady headwind returning. And the question is, will it take more or less time with the wind as it would without any wind at all? So this problem, why is this problem a challenge? Um, well, at first glance, you go back and forth between thinking, well, it should just be the same, and maybe it'll take a little bit longer because it goes slower for a longer period of time, which ends up being what it is. But you have to do the math to figure out which one it is. So you have to figure out how to set up the math, which I'll show you later. Uh, so to find the answer first, I made variables for each thing in Desmos. The city's distance apart was d, the airplane speed is v, the wind speed is 50, um, w, and t is the variable we're solving for. So I just put it into Desmos. So for a straight back and forth round trip without any wind, it's really simple. It's distance over velocity times 2, because, I mean, that just makes sense. Um, you divide the distance by the speed. And then for the round trip with wind, it's a little bit more complicated. So first you have the trip with it detracting from the speed. So that's with the headwind. So that's represented by v minus w. And then you have the trip with it acting as a tailwind, which is v plus w. And as you can see, it takes a little bit longer with the wind than it does without. So that's how you find it out. Thanks.